This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 2nd of October. I'm Michael Groff. The calendar may say it's fall, but we're still talking about the possibility of triple-digit temperatures around here by later this week and into the weekend as a pretty significant warming trend comes our way. What about some rainfall? We sure could use some. Is there any in the forecast? Well, let's find out as we look outside this morning here at 5:30 a.m. Clear skies in the valley right now, 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 39, humidity 31%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning, primarily in the mid-60s to lower 70s. The water vapor satellite view, we've got a nice trough north of the state. Plenty of cool air and some snow for the northern Rockies, but that cold air is just going to brush by northern Arizona to cool us off just a tiny bit today. The watch warning map, pretty active out here in the west. Some wind advisories up along the rim and in northeast Arizona, as well as parts of southern California, southern Nevada. Some winter weather advisories scattered through the west, and winter storm warnings in parts of Montana. Flash flood watches in sections of Minnesota and Wisconsin, and air quality alerts for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, as well as San Antonio. Severe weather outlook for today. A marginal risk extends from the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles north and east toward Minneapolis-St. Paul. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days coming off the WPC. How about absolutely zero, nada, nil, zilch for Phoenix? Meanwhile, about a quarter inch or so for the far eastern part of the state over toward the White Mountains. Why is that? Well, we'll talk about that now as we get into the details of our weather. Let's check the models. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Troughing north of Arizona. Nice cool air up that way, and again, just a brush by for us. Dry westerly flow, slightly cooler conditions today. Highs, low 90s. We'll actually say highs 90 to 93 today with sunny skies and breezy conditions this afternoon. Pretty windy across northern Arizona, so if you're heading up north, be aware of that. Tonight, clear skies and with a very dry air mass. Lows will drop into the upper 50s to mid-60s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny with highs low to mid-90s. On Wednesday, pretty anomalous ridging starts to build across the Gulf Coast states, expanding over Texas. And around the western periphery of that ridge, some moisture may start to flow back toward New Mexico and perhaps even into far eastern Arizona, enough to warrant at least a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm over there. We're going to stay dry here in the valley, but highs will be mainly in the mid and upper 90s. Thursday, mid and upper 90s, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in far eastern Arizona, but that moisture is just not going to make it this far west. Friday, mostly sunny skies. Ridging continues to build and expand here over the southwest states. Temperatures should rise to around 97 to 100. Saturday, probably the hottest day of the forecast period, highs 98 to 101 with strong ridging and dry conditions continuing. Now on Sunday, indications of troughing beginning to build across the northern Rockies, and that should help push temperatures down just a little bit, flatten out the ridge somewhat. Highs in the mid to upper 90s, and we see that trend continuing as we go to a week from today. This is Monday the 9th of October. Dry west to northwesterly flow. Ridge flattening out, highs low to mid-90s. Same thing as we go to Tuesday, the 10th of October. And here's the end of the forecast period, Wednesday the 11th. A mainly zonal flow with flat ridging to our south, but high temperatures still remaining in the low to mid-90 range, with low temperatures during this time primarily in the 60s. Checking the temps off the GFS ensemble through the period. Warming it up this week, highs approaching the century mark by Friday or Saturday, and then we'll gradually cool it off as we head into mid-October, as you would expect. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us. Otherwise, be safe, stay cool out there, and have a great Monday.